Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn with Norcross-Madagascar and welcome to the final day, day 12 of our 12 days of Crystal Christmas. Today we saved what I personally feel like is the best for last. I know I say it all the time, but these have always held a place in my heart. It's so corny, but so true. These are my favorite product that we have. When I first started here, I fell in love with them, and I personally have 3 at my house, and they're the first thing when you see when you walk in. I truly, absolutely love these pieces. These are our 7 to 8 inch hearts. And so we just grabbed 5 of them to show you. They are all individually priced. So they run, I'm going to say, from probably about $400 to about $1,100, depending on the stone and depending on how special the stone is. Like this guy right here. This is one of our more expensive ones. And I am going to hope, because the flash on this is beyond stupendous. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's got rainbows, blues, purples, yellows, and one thing, I was looking at it from the top, so I'm gonna see is if you can see that when you're walking by, if you have it on a shelf, this is what you're gonna see, that amazing flash. This one's priced at $1,100, and I have to say that this right here is probably one of the best Labradorite hearts I've ever seen. And with this rainbow in here, I mean, it just doesn't get any better. The backside is just as amazing, and it's almost iridescent. It's just so deep. This is like a huge crystal, and the color is so stunning. I am gonna lay that one flat. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. So I can show you the other ones that we have here. This one is an amazing piece of apatite. It has such gorgeous color in it. It's got some gemmy parts in it. It's got that gorgeous matrix in it and the patterning on it. It is really heavy. Apatite is a very dense stone. It's very fragile, so we do stabilize it to enable us to carve something this magnificent out of it. This one is priced at $850. If you do order, we understand it's probably a little bit late for Christmas. You can show somebody our website and say, hey, pick one out. But you can also request pictures of other stones we have. And if you get more than one, you do get a 25% discount. So that is something to take into consideration if you buy one with a friend. Or we do offer the 10% off for the Instagram special because it is the last day, it's Christmas Eve, so we kind of understand. I'm really hoping Greg is able to get the rainbows. There's an amazing rainbow in here. I'm not sure if it's gonna come. Crystal is sometimes really hard to capture in film, but it's really clear. You can probably see my nails through it. So it's really clear. The natural fracture patterns on here are throwing crazy gorgeous rainbows. Wow. This side's kind of even better. This one's the most expensive one we have, I think, on the table today. This one is $1,200. It is a spectacular piece. I'm trying to see how I can hold it without blocking half of it, of Madagascar crystal. Madagascar crystal is usually very cloudy, so to get one this clear and so full of rainbows, that's an amazing piece. The next guy we have is becoming a super popular stone. This is sea jasper, ocean jasper, or bicular jasper. Take your pick. This has got some really pretty colors in it. It's got across the top really great, like the entire front of it has really great orbs. It's got a little bit of red in there. It's got those golds and those greens. The front is almost a goldenrod mustard color. The back has the tans and some of the greens in it. So it really is a special piece. This one is priced a little bit less than the others. This one's only $650, which for a large piece of sea jasper is a really good price. It's got amazing orbs on it. It's got some crystal structure in through here. So it is a really special piece. And then the last piece I'm going to show you is, as I like pull away the lights, is a really nice piece of IndigoGabbro. It's got some really cool patterning in it. I love IndigoGabbro. It's a centering, nurturing stone, and this is a really great piece. And one thing I am going to show you probably on the Labradorite piece is one of the things that makes these carvings so special. This IndigoGabbro one is once again really heavy, so I'm kind of resting on the Labradorite. I'm sorry about that. But this one is priced at $500, so it is the most economical, and it does have some great features in it, and I'm not sure if the camera is catching the mica on it, but you can see the way it is flashing in it. Every time I turn it, I'm seeing more flashes in it. So this is, I think I said $500. It is the most economical of the ones we're showing. But these are definitely truly special pieces. And one thing that does make them special is the carving. And you can see in through here, it's a lot of the hearts you'll see, like we have people, we sell like, you know, the small hearts and the 200 gram and the 90 gram hearts. And with our hearts, these are all hand carved. So if you've been following us on social media, you've seen some of the videos we've showed of the amazing carvers doing the spheres. We had that crazy, I mean, if you ever really like the skulls that we have a video that shows from the block to the actual finished skull, an amazing, amazing time-lapse video. And I'm gonna ask them to do that with some of our Labradorite hearts, or any of the hearts actually, because you can see, I mean, it's so smooth, you can see the detail. So it's like 3D in here, so it's not just flat machined. This is hand carved, and you can see if you take this one, which I think might be one of the larger ones, with the sea jasper one, I'm not sure, I'm not gonna be able to, I know what I can do. I can put this one on the stand so you can see it and not have like the fun little, let's see Carolyn knock everything over like she did with the bookends. But you can see the difference in the sizes. So if you see each and every one of them, and that is one part of the pricing on these as well. So the pricing on these is dependent on the size and the quality of the stone. So if you do have any questions on these, you want to see them in other stones, we do have, this isn't the only Labradorite or quartz or anything. We do have different price points for all of our stones. So if you do have any questions or you want to get further information on this, and I'm hoping you're catching this flash because it's so crazy, give us a call, 520-882-8884. Shoot us an email, sales@madagascarminerals.com. We will be closed, so what you're watching right now is not live, it's taped, because we are closed December 24th and 25th. So we will be back December 28th. So that's when we'll get back to you. But we do ship priority mail, so if you want to get something out quick to somebody, we got you covered. Once again, sales@madagascarminerals.com or 520-882-8884. Thank you so much for joining us and putting up with me throughout the full 12 days of our Crystal Christmas. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we will talk to you soon.